I knew I needed to hire a plumber, so what I do with everything, I did a Google search. And honestly, there were things in Portage, but there weren't many reviews, and Cardinal's reviews were stellar. I called and left a message, because I think I called on a Friday, late Friday, and then I think they called me back early Monday, and I talked to a woman in the office, and she was really upbeat and got me on the schedule right away. Terry, my husband, had the vision of what he wanted done downstairs, and you could hear them talking about what his vision was. And then what was really nice was that the gentleman who did the estimate talked about, they had a great conversation. He had good ideas, and so they came to sort of work together. But when they came, they just got to work. We talked a little bit. They went downstairs with my husband, got the lay of what they needed to do. They were constantly working the entire time, and super respectful about picking up tools and putting things back and asking what we wanted. It was a matter of calling, scheduling someone to come out for an estimate, which happened right away. The estimate came the day, that afternoon, because he came out in the morning for the estimate. I'm quite certain in this 100-year-old house there'll be some other issues. I know we want to put central air in one day, and Cardinal will be the only people I call. I would recommend Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning to anybody if they're considering, a couple of different businesses to do their plumbing or heating or air conditioning. I would tell them, don't consider the others, just give Cardinal a call.